Hi, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm a writer and an artist. I've written 6 books about horticulture and the natural world. And over the years, I've filled my sketchbooks with images from garden and nature, including garden scenes, sometimes from my own garden, and sometimes from somebody else's garden. Also, botanical gardens that I visit when I'm out on book tour. And just, flowers and plants that I spot when I'm on vacation, like these in Mexico or this one in Italy. And a couple of years ago, I filled an entire sketchbook with the plants blooming in Washington Park, which is near my house in Portland, Oregon. So when it comes to creating a garden or nature journal, there's so much that you can explore with paint and ink. In this class, we're going to focus on creating a complete garden scene, just like this one, with a variety of plants and even a little structure peeking out from behind the foliage. And in order to do that, we're going to tackle one of the most challenging aspects of sketching in the natural world, which is quickly mixing a variety of greens. So just look at the difference between these paintings and how much the greens help to tell their story. Look at this Joshua tree in San Diego compared to this agave plant in Mexico, and this incredible begonia in a friend's garden. The greens are all so different, but so important, and they really help to tell the story. I've taken a lot of art classes over the years, and I think that sometimes painters can get a little too technical when it comes to greens. So in this class, I'm going to simplify and demystify greens so that we can get on with our painting. Okay, let's go.